These are the Shaun. Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, I'm Allegra. Subscribe if you want. I make fashion and lifestyle content. I think that's what we're calling it now. So this video is a booty workout. It's an easy workout that you can just do in your home. You don't need equipment. I use booty bands and ankle weights, which will be linked down below if you want to buy those, but easy workout to do basically anywhere. So click the bell to be notified so you don't miss out. I also have an ab video, which will be linked down below. I have a full fitness playlist if you're looking for other parts of the body. So let's just get into the video. Just recorded this whole voiceover and it didn't work, so that's great. Okay, so the first exercise is a squat with a kick. You can do this with the resistance band, with the ankle weights like me, or you can just do it with your body weight, whatever you want. Basically just squat down and kick to the side. I do about 15 to 20 each leg, and it's a great warm-up workout, kind of gets your heart going. It's also pretty challenging. The next exercise is a side step or side shuffle. Harder than it looks. You just squat down and shuffle from side to side. You can do this as many times as you want. I usually do about 5 each way, 4 times or something along those lines. Great exercise. Keep your bum down. I kept coming up. Keep your bum really down. You want to be as low as you can go. Next, a little butterfly pulse action. So you just squat down and butterfly your legs. Really works your outer glute area. Like this exercise. The next one is a kickback, standing kickback. At the beginning, my leg was straight, my supporting leg, but I eventually dropped down and, bent it to make it a better supporting leg. If this is too hard for you, use a wall. Don't struggle, but keeping off balance will make the exercise harder, but don't feel like you need to do it like this. You can always hold a wall if your balance is off. And now we're on the floor. So now we're in the glute bridge section. First I'm doing a bridge with my feet together. This will really work your hamstrings. It's definitely a hamstring focused exercise. And then the next exercise is a glute bridge variation. So just one leg on the ground and then the other foot, the heel is in the air and the toe is on the ground. I got this variation off Project Summer Body by Bailey on YouTube, and I really like it. It really burns, and it's way harder than it looks. So I do about 15 to 20 of these each leg. To end it off, I just do a classic glute bridge, digging my heels into the ground and squeezing my glutes together, and you could also do a little pulse at the end if you wanted to make it harder. The Clamdigger, definitely one of the awkwarder moves in the bunch to do at the gym. Resistance band will make it harder. You don't have to do it with a resistance band, but just opening and closing your legs really works the outer glutes. I think Tash and Dev do this move a lot, and who doesn't want a body like Tash and Dev? Sexy. I just called them Tash and Dev as if they're my friends. Tash Oakley and Devin Brugman is what I meant. And the next exercise is a classic donkey kick. Had to add these into the bunch. I always like to end off my workout with these. Keep your back straight. And I'm doing this with a resistance band as well, but you don't have to. I also really like the straight leg variation where you just keep your legs straight. I think those work really well. Sometimes I'll switch it up and do both. Sometimes I'll switch it up and just do the straight leg. But for this video, I did the donkey kick. And then I will do a fire hydrant. Again, a classic move for making the booty rounder around the outside. Keep your back straight, keep your movements controlled, and work that booty. Please subscribe if you want to see more fitness, fashion, and lifestyle videos. I'd really love to have you as on my channel as my little fam. And remember to subscribe. You can click the button right there or watch another video if you're bored. Peace and love. Love you all.